The corpse of a man who was missing for 3 days was recovered from a field nearby village. The deceased person is Sujit Namasudra, a resident of Gandachara. Police and forensic team rushed to the scene on receiving the information. Sujit Namasudra, a resident of Gandachara subdivision, left his house last Sunday in search of work. Even after evening, at night he did not return home. The family members thought that Sujit might have gone to visit someone's house, so the family members did not file a missing persons diary with the police station. Meanwhile, on Tuesday morning, Sujit's wife saw a man's body lying in a field in a nearby village. When she went to the body, she saw that it was her husband's. Within moments, the news spread in the area. Sujit's family members and neighbors gathered at the scene. Upon receiving the news, the police of Gandachara police station rushed to the scene. Sub-district police officer of Gandachara, Sogada Chakma, also rushed to the scene. Forensic experts were rushed to the spot. An autopsy was conducted on the spot as decomposition had begun in the body. After the autopsy, the body was handed over to the family members.
রবিবারে সকাল ৮টার দিকে বাইরেছে 11টা 12টার দিকে একবার ফোন করছে ফোন করে কইছে গরু নিয়ে আসছে এই ডাক্তার নিয়ে আসছে বাড়িতে আমি কইছে আইছে না তুমি বাড়িতে কইছে আমি আইতাছি এরপর আর ফোন টোন নাই কোনো খবর টবর নাই আজকে 3 দিন হইছে একটু হইতাছি ভাইছি না আজকে সকালে ঘুমোতে উঠতে এদিকে যখন আইতাছি এরপরে দিয়া এদিকে আসে আমি পাইছি পাইয়া তারা ডাক দিয়েছি এরপরে তারা আইছে কোনো এমনি কোনো কাজ জামালা কোনো কিছু নাই
শরীরে কোনো ক্ষত আছে
না আপনার কোনো ইয়ে নাই
The deceased wife said that he had been missing for 3 days. She also said that his body had injury marks. She alleged that her husband had been murdered. At the same time, she demanded justice. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.